across the fields and we found some beaver dams. No sign of any beavers yet. You weren't really in it there for a second. Stop it! We found this beautiful, gentle waterfall brook. We're just hiking in the... Oh! We found some wildlife. Oh my god. This is your rare animal in rain boots. What's she gonna do? Where's she gonna go? We don't know. Where are you gonna go? That way? Oh! She's gonna fall right in is what she's gonna do. I'm doing a great job.
It was a little bit of an experimental process. Note to self, parchment paper.
Parchment paper all the way. Those are my macaroons. I did coffee macaroons with hazelnut buttercream. I cannot wait to try them. It smells very good. It smells like a rich, like coffee flavor. There's like...
I'm trying to shove it in.
You guys can't see this, but behind she's like, are we not, are we, all right, you ready?
Very good.
Very good.
It'll be outside the house. Why?
It's boggle. I've never played this before. This is the first time I've ever played.
I'd say she loves it.
Not this particular game, but this weekend.
Yes. I'm just enjoying it. Little baby bites. So good.
I was worried I wouldn't get the camera out fast enough, but you're eating it like a snail, so it'll take forever.
And it was only like this big.
What is it?
Macaroons.
We're sitting out on our picnic blanket, purchased for us by Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Here's the hammock over here behind us. Ugh, isn't that a view?
Wait till somebody sits in it.
Oh, somebody will sit in it later.
Or you sit in there with two people and then you get out real quick.
That's what Morgan did all this morning. This is where we had our fire last night and where we're gonna have our fire tonight. And we're just gonna sit.
Ukulele.
And ukulele time.
What are you doing? I found a large bear. Oh, which way is she gonna go? She's thinking about it. She's trying to get out to that rock. Oh. Oh, there it is. Uh-oh, don't do that. Water's gonna be cold. Water's gonna be cold. Let's watch her put her feet in. Oh man, what's wrong? It's like it's cold or something. You didn't go into the deep part. Just watch it where it comes up to the boot. You'll be all right. Oh. She is loving it. Are you done? Good job.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What you doing? Let's do a Where's Waldo, but instead Where's Morgan? Can anybody see her in the image? If you guessed right there, there she is. She's just tromping all around in them boots. It's gonna take 4 years to build a tub.
So we're doing a, what is it, do-it-yourself hot tub that is outside. So right out here outside the garden, there's the door that came off of it. And here is the claw tub. Yeah, we have bubble bath we're gonna put in it.
And tiki torture.
We are currently filling it from the sink. But we got all of our tiki lights going. Well, not all of our tiki lights going, but we got the fire.
Hopefully the stars will be out if the cloudless sky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, we'll be right back. How many you want?
All the pumps.
3, 4, 5.
Ooh, it smells good.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Give it all you got.
Oh, it's not really putting out that much, is it?
No. Are you excited?
I am. I'm a little worried it's going to be a little too hot.
Nah.
I need more.
You can maybe screw the cap off and just kind of pour some in.
I mean, that would be smart, wouldn't it? More?
No, that's plenty.
You ready? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm gonna have some s'mores. Look, note to self, don't have a gluten allergy. It sucks.
Makes for some crappy graham cracker.
We're gonna make do though. We're gonna make it work.
Made with half bread.
Made tiny bits. I'll do.
Oh, you're doing mine too?
Yeah, I'm gonna do bears because that's where we're at now. Gotta get it warm and brown without setting it on fire. So you have to be focused and attentive.
But it's like twice the size of the thing.
And now begins.
So you thought because I was tiny, I can like fit this marshmallow on, or this cracker.
You got
on
this.
This is ridiculous.
You have to believe in yourself.
Messy thing waiting to happen.
The marshmallows are good, huh?
That graham cracker tastes weird.
Gluten-free for the win.
So what's your verdict of the s'mores?
So the marshmallows are weird, and the chocolate's weird. The gluten-free graham crackers are weird. But the fire is delightful. And the ambiance, I don't know if you guys can hear on the video, like all the brook, the rushing brook in the background, and the crickets and the birds and the wildlife. I could live in this moment forever.